What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take the side skirts off and try and refasten them with 3M tape instead of self-tap screws, because every time they hit the ground they pull the screws out and the side skirt extension starts to flop down. So I want to take care of that over the winter. I've only got enough tape to do one side, but the other side the skirt's broken, and I may just leave it and find another skirt and do it afterwards. I'm not sure. And drop a comment below, like, subscribe. The engagement really helps me reach more people and helps grow the community. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Let's dive right in. So with these side skirt extensions, I actually cut holes in them so that I could get up to the plastic clips, which most of them are missing anyways, but it was so that I didn't have to remove this to take the side skirt off. So hopefully they got enough room and it works. So I've only got a couple of clips underneath here, but I actually think that there's a clip up at the front that I didn't drill a hole for. So I'm gonna have to do that afterwards, and they break, every single one of them. These clips are so bad, they're brand new. I just put them in the summer, or sorry, in the spring. Ow. Oh, there we go. Oh, I missed a clip hole right up here, but yeah, that's basically how they are. So I'm just gonna stick it back with some 3M glue, and if I have to put the self tappers back in, I will, but that way if I hit them on the ground and they pull out, it'll be stuck with the tape at least. So that's the plan anyways. All right, so here's what I'm working with now. I'm gonna clean this extension up, and then likely it's gonna be one piece of tape that kind of goes right down the edge. I've literally only got maybe these two and that front clip out of all of them. So I'm not really too worried about the access points. They're pretty easy to pop if you just go like underneath here and pop it instead of taking the head out first and then pull the clip. They might break, but they're easy enough to replace. So that's kind of the plan. I'm gonna wash all this stuff down, clean it up, and stick it on. All right, now I have no idea if this tape is actually gonna stick to the wood. I know that it sticks to plastic because my microphone is mounted at the back of the car and it works very well. It is a good strong bond, but to this wood, I'm not 100% sure. So, you know, it might work, it might not. And it's also gonna overlap into the holes a little bit. All right, now I gotta make sure it's all nice and stuck down. The back I cannot do because there's nothing here. That's why I've got this metal clip back there. Well, wasn't perfect, but all the self-tap holes lined up, so it's right where it needs to be. Oh, there it is. Looks pretty good. It actually feels like it's stuck. So I'm going to put the self-tap screws back in. I'm going to wash the rocker, and then I guess I'll throw it back on. I got a few broken clips now, so I have to order some new clips. They break every single time you take them off. It's super annoying, but it is what it is. The other side's gonna have to wait a little bit because I need to get more tape, and the skirt's broken, so I might try and replace that before the spring. We'll see. It's where I am, it's hard to find used parts. They're usually like 2.5 hour drive away, so you know, it's a 5 hour trip to go pick up a $50 side skirt. So it's pretty unfortunate. So I'm just gonna wait and see if something pops up closer. Until then, I'm just gonna leave it at this one. I'll try and get it back on, see how many of the clips aren't gonna stick. If it bows out, then I'll just pull it back off, and I'll wait till the spring to put it back on. But yeah, let's get this thing back on the car. All right, so I got the whole underbody wash down, wrapped around here. I got some self-tappers back in the bottom. I didn't put them all in, but it fits a lot tighter now, and hopefully the double-sided tape will stop it from separating when dirt and debris get up in between here. So wow, that's not too bad. Well, I got a whole 3 clips and one of them is broken, so that's always fun. I got the side skirt back on. Everything seems to be nice and sturdy now. It was getting all wavy from rocks pushing up in between the skirt and the extension, so it was kind of like pushing the extension down. The tape should help it stay in place, and I added the self-tappers back in. If they pull out, hopefully the tape will keep it on. And then, like I said, I'd like to try and figure out a way to mold this together and make it maybe a permanent single piece. The only issue is I want to keep it black and I want to keep the side skirt silver. So merging it into one piece might be a little bit tricky, but I think it would look really cool, and being able to bring it out a little more flush so that there's kind of like a wall going right down through here. I think that would be kind of cool, but you know, just keep picking away as I go. Thanks for watching. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.